jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming on to ride one on horse's sleigh. Hello, kiddos. How are you? So, you all are here to celebrate Christmas. I am your friend Santa, and I will be taking you all through this fun and fantastic event. Okay, let's begin. My colleagues will now come and tell you something about Christmas.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Okay, I want to ask you, do you know when we celebrate Christmas? We celebrate it in the month of December. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December because it is known as Jesus Christ's birthday. You know what we do on Christmas? We decorate Christmas trees. We decorate it with some socks, cakes, and Santa's come and gives us gifts. It is a magical day. Everyone is so happy. We eat yummy treats. We decorate our house full of lights. So now do you all remember when is Christmas? It is celebrated on 25th of December. Bye.
Children, do you know what time of year it is? It's Christmas time, the most magical and wonderful year. Christmas is a special day because it's filled with love, fun, and lots of joy. We start decorating by a Christmas tree. We hang stockings, sparkling lights, and shiny stars on top of it. Then we bake a yummy treats and cookies. We dance a lot and we sing a cheerful songs like Jingle Bell. Everyone feels so happy. And on the Christmas Eve, you know what? The Santa Claus came in the night. The Santa Claus came at the night. It gives presents to good children, good boys and good girls. When we wake up in the morning, we run to the tree and collect the gifts, and we open and feel so happy. And Christmas is not just about the gifts; it's all about the spending time with loved ones, family, and friends. And we pray and remember it's a special day because it's Jesus' birthday. Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Ho ho ho, ha ha ha, ho ho ho. I'm back, kiddos. Okay, do you know in my bag I have some goodies and chocolates for you. So I am going to ask you some questions, and the one who is going to answer it correctly will be getting a surprise. So what did you all learn? So who can tell me when is the Christmas celebrated?
25th December.
Raise your hand and answer.
25th December.
So this is for you.
Thank you.
Okay, and on whose birthday we celebrate this?
Jesus.
Yes, very good. So this is for
Thank
you. Okay, now my friend Saina will come and tell us the story. You all like to hear a story? Yes. So clap for Saina.
Hello. Soon separates and wise men follow the little star, follow the little star to see follow babies, Jesus her browds and send gifts and send songs to celebrate. The little star so happy because she helped everyone to find day.
Hey, ho ho ho, I'm back again. Okay, now Humaira will come and tell you about the culture of the Christmas.
Hello students. Hello. The culture of Christmas is very wide and very rich and diverse. The Christmas is celebrated as a very successful and a joyful function. Here is a crib where Jesus Christ was born. This is a shed, and in the shed there were shepherds and the Jesus Christ was born here. The culture with old traditions and new joyful success at December 25th. Thank you.
I'm back, kiddos. Okay, again a question, right? You want goodies? Yes. Okay. So, where did they celebrate the birth of a Jesus?
In the crib.
In the crib. Okay, very good. This is for you. Okay, now my friend Pradnya will come and talk something about me.
Hello children. Good morning.
Good morning.
Children, today I will tell you about this special person, and who is he?
Santa Claus.
Correct. My chart. Yes, correct. Santa is very kind and a jolly man. He has big white beard and he wears red suit. He loves children and want to them happy. And children, do you know Santa brings present for us on Christmas? And yes, isn't that exciting? He not only brings the presents but also brings the happiness and joy. And now some of you might be wondering how Santa brings us present on Christmas night. Well, it's a magic. Santa has special sleigh and reindeer. With the help of that, he fly around the world. Okay, children, and on the Christmas, don't forget to look under the Christmas tree for your present from Santa. Okay, children, Merry Christmas!
Oh, I am back. I hope all of you are enjoying this event.
Yes.
Okay, would you like to play a small game?
Yes.
Okay, so I have bought a game for you. Okay, so take this and there are pens behind you. If want, you can make a group of 2 as well. Okay, I will be giving you 2 minutes and you have to write the details. It's about your name, place and thing, and your time starts now. At the end of this game, the winner, at the end of the event, the winner will be announced. So write it carefully and neatly. 1 minute left. Last 30 seconds left. Talk about importance of Christmas.
Good morning, children. How are you?
We all are fine.
Today I will tell you about importance of Christmas. Christmas is the main festival of Christians. On this day, Jesus Christ was born. On 25th December, we celebrate Christmas. People decorate their homes, clean their houses. People decorate Christmas tree. We give gifts to each other. We cook delicious and yummy food. Christmas is the festival of joy and peace. Children wait for Santa Claus to come so that they will get some gifts. Thank you.
Popo, I'm back. Okay, again it's a question time. So tell me, on Christmas, who is the important person who comes and distribute the gifts?
Santa
Claus. Okay, now I would like Kavita to come and talk about food items.
Good morning, all of you. Today we celebrate the Christmas Day. In December 25th, we celebrated the Christmas Day. In Catholic or in Christmas, they take up foods like a plum cake, wine, starters. This is a plum cake also, and this is a rice also. It's very delicious dishes in the Christmas Day. Thank you.
Hello friends.
Hello.
I hope you all have enjoyed this event.
Yes.
Okay, let me tell you one thing. Santa was in a bit hurry, so he left. But he has given me a message that he has kept gifts for you. And there is a snack party followed. Do enjoy your party. Let's raise your hands and say Merry Christmas. And now we will follow it with a small dance. So who all are interested, just come on stage. Yay!
Come on.